Zoe is using a sushi maker to make some sushi.
For the first time. Right, I'm nervous. Okay. Oh, I forgot to put the thing in. Oh no. This is what you don't do. Got it. Where are you?
Okay, Zoe's right. She's got a machine in.
Okay, I'm just gonna put the cap on because the rice has come here. Put the cap on for a sec. Here we go. You ready?
Yep.
I'm nervous.
It worked!
Cool.
That is really cool.
Oh my goodness, that is amazing.
Here's Zoe's sushi. Very impressed.
I'm actually so impressed. That is so cool.
Okay.
Chef Jared's her turn.
Oil?
Yeah, perfect. That down.
Okay, did that.
Perfect. Now she's got a little groove. No, you just do the one side. Me, because you remembered this step and I forgot that step. Yep, pop it right there. Close it up. This is the scary bit.
This is scary.
Oh, you forgot to put the cap on the end.
Oh, it's coming.
Twist it. There we go. Yeah. Perfect. And then keep moving your hand back. That's the way. Oh my god, it looks awesome.
Gosh.
Oh, Jared, you smashed it. That's so cool.
It's literally
Yay!
bigger than the roll.
Let's get a little bit of water. Stick the water on the edge so it. I am impressed, Jara. Look at that. All right, we'll cut it in half. Look at that.
Sushi, yum.
You're a professional.
Ready to see some waterfalls?
Let's do it. Woo!
There is like mud everywhere. So we found a nice tree. Look at all the mud. My shoes at the moment.
I actually start to feel it going into my toes.
Gross, the mud. Look at the mud. Zoe's trying to avoid the mud. Look at the mud. Good shortcut. Oh, she nearly slipped. Oh, that tree doesn't look that steady.
Oh my god, I'm pulling it out of the ground.
Is it growing? Where do I go? I'm just gonna move it. Move the tree. You can stay there. Don't hit my face. So we're gonna go to Lower first. Oh, we're just heading to it. Look at all the mud. We're going under the waterfall. So we are having a picnic underneath a waterfall. Here's our sushi we made. So we're going upper. So we're trying to get through over here.
We did it. Careful of that bit.
have made it. 9Ks. Woohoo!
It was fun.